Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the PhotoGenius AI image generator. One of the cool things about PhotoGenius is that it has 6 different models, including Flux, which is the same model that Grok uses and is one of the best image generation models out there. Generating an image is pretty straightforward. First, you choose your model, then type your prompt and choose the style. You can also just select none and tell it your own style in the prompt. So I'm going to start with Flux Pro and tell it to generate an image of Elon Musk holding a white sign that says, "Subscribe to Jacob C. Edmonds." Then be patient while it loads. Sometimes it can take a minute. And then here we go with the image. And like I said, you can see that the Flux model is pretty good, especially with text. Some other image generators are not good with text. Now let's try again with a different style this time. So I'm going to go over here and click Oil Sketch and then Generate Image. And it will use the same prompt and model, just generate the image in a different style. And here we have the result. Now you'll notice you have an image history in 2 places. Here on the left, it keeps the image history of your current session. And then on the right, it has your full history, which will be saved for 5 years. So you could come back in 6 months, scroll back through your history and find the prompt you used to get a specific image, and even download it again. And speaking of downloading, there's a few ways to do that. You can either click this button, then right-click and save as, or from the history, you can click either of these 2 buttons and then right-click and save as. All right, now let's try changing the model to Stable Diffusion and trying again. So here's the image that Stable Diffusion generated. Now let's say I want to change the image to look different. So I can do that with the Edit feature. So if I click Edit and then I can either do Freeform Select and draw the area I want to change, or I can use the Rectangle tool. And I found that this edit feature works the best when you submit very simple prompts. So for example, if I wanted Elon to be wearing a baseball cap, then I would just say baseball cap, rather than saying change Elon to be wearing a baseball cap. Or another example, top hat, instead of change Elon to be wearing a top hat. You'll also notice that whatever area is selected is likely to get altered when it edits the image. So make sure you only select the area that you want to change. Otherwise, as you'll see here in the difference between these 2 images, it kind of messed up his face a little bit on the first one. So I just went back to a previous version, did it again, and then it looked a lot better. So that is how to use PhotoGenius. If you want to check it out for yourself, make sure to use promo code JACOB25 for 25% off any subscription. And if you're interested in learning about another AI image generator, then check out this video about Grok.